Yeah, we're live. We're live in the cut.
Alright, yo, what's good, YouTube? Just want to let you know Bite's a bitch. Alright, enjoy it.
Was that the intro?
Yep.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so I gotta move the Fox body so I can pull the Ranger in the driveway. I'm gonna start working. I'm gonna get the windows fixed. Well, try to at least. I'll show you all the problem in a minute. Alright, so basically, just the problem in the Ranger. When you want to put the window up, it's like off the track a little bit, so that's it, and then it goes back and forth. So I think it's really just off the fucking track. The window switches. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna fix. We got the infamous drop light. That's the only screw hole I can see. Looking around the whole thing, I don't really know. I don't know. Got Dad helping me out here. You know where it's at?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh. Alright. We just greased it. Dad was out here because it was like a two-person job. He ended up doing it. Yeah, I doubt he was gonna hold the light for his son, but for all the problem, there's these little white clips that hold it. Uncle's home. Fox. Oh fuck! Almost dropped it. The Fox body looks tight. But yeah, there's like $5 on eBay, and I'm gonna order some later. Another thing I need to do badly is clean all the terminals and the connectors because I've been losing power randomly. So yeah, we're gonna do that.
The next day.
I got the Sawzall, and then I got the jack in the back. But yeah, we're gonna straight pipe it. Oh, the jack hit the fucking back of the truck bed. But yeah, so straight piping it, and we're doing some redneck body work. I'll catch y'all when we're there. Yeah! We're recording on my shitty Android. What are we doing? Explain what we're doing to your car.
Cutting the muffler off.
Yeah.
Your shit popping.
We're making it rice. I just farted, Jonas.
Shit.
Alright, this is the before. It's pretty weak. I'm making Jonas do it. Alright, so I'm running to my mom's house, which is like a mile away. Cause the blade I have is a fucking dull ass fire and rescue one in the Sawzall. I can hear Jonas, he's still trying it with that. But yeah, I'm gonna go see if they have one. Tell him, Jonas, what we got here? I just sounded like Aaron's bitch ass. What we got here? We got some. We got some metal blades, 2 of them, 14 inches, because we like our things big around here.
This isn't gonna cut through either.
What? Yeah, it's thick metal.
No, that's not gonna work.
Look at it, bitch.
It's not gonna work.
Is it? Wait, did it actually say thick metal? Thick metal white? What? Alright. How long did you say that was gonna take? Wait, don't start it yet.
I can't believe I came up with like 2 seconds.
Nah, just leave it open for now. Or not. Alright. Hey, start it up, let it idle for like a couple seconds, and start revving it. Alright, after. Is he gonna... just fucking rip it a little bit.
Holy shit. Everything flying.
Dude, his car looks ratchet, but it sounds sick. Dude, god damn, it sounds pretty good. I'm driving it so Jonas can hear it. It sounds sick. See, it sounds good right here too. There's no like drone.
Yeah.
Next up is the Ranger.
Wait, so what's the resonator do again?
Bye-bye, Jonas. Alright, that's it for today. I'm gonna go stop by my mom's house. My grandma and a cousin I haven't seen in a long ass time's there. And then I think that's it for today. Jonas's car sounded way better than I thought it would. His shit sounds fucking lit. But yeah.